Hello everyone, I have another DIY holiday gift idea for you to try, and it is a moisturizing lip color. So I'm not gonna call this a lipstick because I don't think it's a lipstick, but it does great just to add some color to the lips, and it is moisturizing because of all the ingredients in here. So I do have cocoa butter unrefined, and I have some unrefined organic coconut oil, some kupuasu butter, some tukuma butter, some candelilla wax, and some cranberry seed oils. So very nourishing ingredients here. And you can totally make this with, you can totally have a mold and then add it into this container and use it as a lipstick if you prefer to apply that way. So we're going ahead to add the ingredients, and I've just added some clay because I feel this clay would reduce the amount of oiliness that this lipstick would give out. So it wouldn't exactly lead to a matte finish, but it would make it less oily. And this clay is not toxic in any way. Some people actually eat clay, so this is not toxic. And I would just go ahead and melt the ingredients down. So this is a vegan lip color, and you can totally make this as a gift this holidays. And I would be adding some cranberry seed oil, which is very good for moisturizing. It has a balanced amount of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which gives it some superior moisturizing, nourishing benefits. And now with the dry weather, the cold winter, your lips will definitely need all the love it can get. And this moisturizing lip color is just great. So I will be adding a touch of color. So I'm using iron oxide, which is shown by the FDA to be non-toxic and allowed actually to be used in coating medicine and used in coating food ingredients and etc. So you can definitely feel free to use this. It is not toxic in any way. And I'm just going ahead to add the clay. So if you want the color to be a lot more vibrant, then maybe add more of the color, because even though it's showing like it's very red, people have different undertones to their skin color. So if you apply this on your lip, it can give a different color from somebody else. So there's always that background color that people's skin carry, even though you may not be able to see it. So a red lipstick may not show as red on a certain person, or it could show as red on a different person, based on the natural color of your lips and the undertones of your lips as well. So I will be adding this into this container, and I will be applying this with a lip brush. So I'm not going to apply it as the lipstick. It could totally go into a mold and be used as a lipstick because it does have a very good hold after it dried, but I just prefer to use it like this and apply it with a lip brush. So the color is so vibrant, and I really like how it's looking. This would make a lovely holiday gift, and I'm just demonstrating how it looks on my own lip, and it could definitely be a different color on a different person's lip, and it depends on the colorant that you decide to use. This definitely gave a nice color, which I like. I already have lots of lipstick. I have red lipsticks, and I wanted something that wasn't completely red. So this looks like a brown, off brown color, and I really like that it is an everyday wear lip color, because then I don't like wearing makeup. So this definitely worked great, and I can wear it every day, and it looked really good at moisturizing for my lips. I hope you try this holidays. Hope you find this helpful. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.